You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French businessman of German origin who founded the famous international fashion house and luxury brand. Hermès is the French pronunciation of his name. Hermès with a silent H. Hermès in English. His first name is Thierry. Thierry Hermès in English. Thierry Hermès. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.